Hello, I'm going to show you how to use our Canva templates in this quick video. Let's get started. After your purchase you get this PDF with all the information you need, and links to all the templates. Keep in mind, in this video I'm showing our biggest package, called, the one where you level up your social game. If you bought a different package, all these links won't be displayed in your file. On the second slide you'll find info about the templates, as well as important information. In order to use the templates you need a Canva account. If you don't have one already you can sign up for free via the link in the PDF. We've also linked Canva's great tutorials here. As you can see they have plenty of tutorials if you need more guidance. So let's get started with the customization of the templates. Click the template pack you want to access, here. When you click the link to a post package, it opens up in Canva, like this. Click the purple button, Use Template. Here you see all the templates. You can also click down here, to see an overview of all the templates. Let's open up one more package. And click Use Template. Double-click on one design to enlarge it. If you have your own images, just upload them by dragging them into the dark area. Or you can either use Canvas images here, or Pexels, they have great images as well. If you don't see Pexels, just scroll to the bottom, and you'll find it here. To change the image just drag it into the placeholder, like this. All the colors, texts and fonts are also adjustable. Just tap any text or icon to change it, like this. On to another design, here with a moving GIF. Again, just click and edit the text. Say if you had a flower shop, this would make a fun meme post. And just drag your profile picture in the frame. Add a background color to match your brand. If you have Canva Pro, and added your brand colors and fonts, you can also auto-match your brand, here. To export an image for posting, either pick PNG or JPEG, here. Click Download. To export a video or GIF for posting, you have to select MP4 instead. Let's change it up some more. If you want to change the GIFs, simply click on Giphy here. Again, if you don't see the option, just scroll to the bottom and pick it from there. If you want GIFs without a background, make sure to include sticker in your search. Click the one you want, and delete the one in the design. And just put it in place. Super simple. You can even make it look entirely different. All of the designs with boxes like this, adjust to the length of the text you write. You can replace any element in the designs to make it your own. And remember, every part is adjustable so it will match your brand. Also, any images could be edited within Canva as well. Just edit, and save, and you're ready to post in no time.